केमिस्ट्री 3 का यूनिट 3 ओके एमसीक्यू इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो रहे हैं आपके उसमें ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा और जो भी यूनिट्स है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, लिंक वहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हैं। ओके चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, व्हाट इज द causative organism of tuberculosis? Answer is B, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The answer is B. Next is to question number. The BCG vaccine is administered for immunity against. The answer is tuberculosis. किसके against में? Tuberculosis के against. Answer is B. Next is 3 question number. A combination of medicines which are applied to treat tuberculosis is. The answer is C, both A and B. A is to generate a better response. B is to decrease the resistance of the entity to the treatment. The answer is C, both A and B. Next is 4th question number. Select the second line drug for the treatment of tuberculosis from the following list. The answer is C, EQS. E is cycloserine, Q is Streptomyces, and S is para-aminosalicylic acid. The answer is C, EQS. Okay. Next is 5 question number. Mechanism of action isoniazid, short form is INH. The answer is B, mycolic acid synthesis inhibitor. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 6th question number. Aminoglycoside agent useful in management of the tuberculosis. The answer is B, Streptomyces. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 7th question number. Mechanism of action PAS, that means para-aminosalicylic acid. The answer is A, power, competitor and inhibition of the folate synthesis. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 8th question number. Mechanism of action rifampin, that means रीमा रिमैक्टन, इसको ये भी बोल सकते हैं रिमैक्टन। इसका आंसर जो होगा वो सी होगा। इनहिबिट्स आरएनए सिंथेसिस बाय बाइंडिंग टू डीएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज। द आंसर इज सी। नेक्स्ट इज 9 question. Most suitable starting material for synthesis of isoniazid is. The answer is 4, picoline and isonicotinic acid. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 10 question number. N-acetyl isoniazid is the major metabolic of isoniazid produced by acetylation by. The answer is D, N-acetyl transferase. The answer is D, N-acetyl transferase. Okay. Next is 11 question number. According to SAR studies of isoniazid, the answer is D, all of the above. A is pyridine ring is essential. B is acid hydrazide group on position 4, and C is substitution on N1 reduce activity, and D is the all of the above. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 12 question number. Rifampicin antibiotics was synthesized from antimycete Streptomyces mediteranei. The answer is D, rifampicin. Okay. Next is 13 question number. Which of the following was the first therapeutically useful quinolone antibacterial agent? The answer is D, nalidixic acid. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 14 question number. Which enzyme are the target for the quinolone antibacterial agent? The answer is C, topoisomerase. The answer is C, topoisomerase. The answer is C. Next is 15 question number. Which reason of the fluoroquinolone escalator is involved in binding interaction with DNA in the ternary complex formed between DNA topoisomerase and the drug? The answer is D. Reason D. Reason D. Okay. The answer is D. Next is 16 question number. Which of the following structure would be a feasible intermediate for the synthesis of fluoroquinolones having antibacterial activity? The answer is B. Structure B. The answer is B. Structure B. Okay. Next is 17 question number. Which of the following diagram has the correct numbering system of fluoroquinolones? The answer is A. Diagram A. Diagram A. Okay. Correct statement है numbering of system fluoroquinolones का. Okay. Answer is A. Next is 18 question number. The molecule shown is ciprofloxacin. The molecule shown is ciprofloxacin. Okay. Answer is D. Next is, according to SAR studies of quinolones, the answer is E. All of the above. A is position 6 substitution help in cell wall penetration. B is position 7 substitution give a spectrum of activity, and C is carboxylic acid at position 3 is pharmacophore, and D is N1 substitution enhance potency. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 20 question number. Basic nucleus present in nalidixic acid is, the answer is D. 1,8-naphthyridine. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 21 question number. What is the mechanism of action fluoroquinolone? The answer is C. Inhibition of DNA gas. The answer is C. Okay. Next is starting compound for synthesis of Nitrofurantoin is, the answer is A. Hydrazine. The answer is A. Okay. Hydrazine. Next is 23 question number. Which is an inhibitor of viral protease? The answer is A. Quinolone. The answer is A. Quinolone. Next is 24 question number. Rimantidine is a derivative of amantadine. Rimantidine is a derivative of amantadine. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Which point in the replication cycle appear most easily blocked by antivirals? The answer is C. Virus, RNA and DNA replication. The answer is C. Next is 26 question number. All of the following antiviral drugs are the analog of nucleoside except, the answer is D. Seconavir. The answer is D. Okay. Next is जी patrevisionclasses को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड शेयर जरूर करें. ओके. तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट